first thing an instructor needs to do is get the Lockdown add-on package added to their Blackboard course. This can be accomplished by stopping in at the Center for Teaching and Learning. The Lockdown add-on contains a video explaining what the Lockdown browser is, links to download the software for free on student computers, and information on how to use the Help Center. To apply the Lockdown feature to an exam, go into the Course Tools menu, and select Respondus Lockdown. Once inside this dashboard, you can see your list of exams and which exams have the Lockdown browser applied. To change an exam to having the Lockdown applied, simply select the action link on the left-hand side and click on the radio button requiring it. Then hit Save and Close. Your exam will now show the word Required in green. Things to note. To preserve the settings used by Lockdown Browser, do not modify the settings in Test Options inside Blackboard. So for example, here's the test that I just applied the Lockdown Browser to. Go over the action link, edit the test options. It's a variety of settings in here that you do not want to change. Always apply your test options first, then apply your dashboard settings of Lockdown Browser. To preserve the settings used by Lockdown Browser, do not modify these settings in Test Options. Changing the name, opening a test in a new window, requiring a password, changing that password. If any of these settings have been modified after you've applied the Lockdown Browser to it, the test status will appear as an error. Best practice. Remind students to check for updates for the software. All that is required is for them to take the practice quiz throughout the term. If an update is required, it will automatically download and be installed. Wi-Fi. Be sure there is a good, reliable, high-speed connection in your lab, or mention this to the student that might be taking it from home. Troubleshooting. Teach students to click on the Help Center button found at the top of the menu bar inside Lockdown Browser for possible issues with their computer or their connection before attempting an exam. Thanks for watching. To learn more about the Lockdown Browser, contact the Center for Teaching and Learning.